Today, we're going to talk a little bit about the first lawsuit that's coming off of that SCOTUS decision, that Supreme Court decision that allows freight brokers to be sued from accidents from the carriers. And we'll also link that episode there in case you want to go and watch that. Okay, so this is the first one that's come out of the triple fatality of Mr. Singh. You may remember this because it was news. It was the carrier, non-domicile driver, they did a U-turn in the highway and killed 3 people. It was all over the news. I think the Trump administration talked about this is why these drivers, the guy couldn't speak English. So a whole lot of hoopla around that. So this is all over the news, and when you see some of the pictures, it'll come back to you. There was a main push on cleaning up some of the CDLs that were illegal or were paid for, or the guys could not speak English. That's why all the laws that came in based on this accident in Florida. The Governor Santos was all over it. So let me just recap. This accident happened in August of 2025. Mr. I don't want to butcher this name, Hardinger Singh. I may have butchered that, but the lawsuit was filed in St. Lucie County, and his employer was White Hawk Carriers, who lost their authority the moment this fatality happens, which happened with most fatalities at the time. Now, that SCOTUS decision has allowed them to now add C.H. Robinson to this lawsuit. So one of the issues is they're saying that, let me make sure I don't butcher it, White Hawk Carriers has had issues. They had a prior report of an accident in 9/24. They also have drivers been placed out of roadside inspections for unsafe driving violations, speeding, work zones, distracted drivers, improper lane change, etc. Now, this happens with every carrier that have these. It's the amount of these that you have based on the drivers you have and how many miles you're driving that tells you whether you're an unsafe carrier or not. Okay. Now, C.H. Robinson is claiming that White Hawk Carriers, who hired Singh, was not an approved carrier, and they did not give the load to White Hawk Carriers. And the reason why White Hawk Carriers, the reason why that's important because in CH's statement they said White Hawk Carriers is not an approved carrier of C.H. Robinson, nor has been in the system for years. The carrier moved their last shipment for them in January 29, 2024, and have not been active and authorized since. This happened in August 12, 2025. So obviously, they're saying, we didn't give them that load. This is going to all play out in court. I just want to get the news out to you so everyone's aware of it. Thank you, and welcome to the Hall of Fame.